Okay, the igneous node for creating a sandstone train with, as you can see, if you click the seed to make it different, yeah, it's create a sandstone train with a flat area. You can increase the scale. Now you can see it better. We have some plates that collide to each other and create some such these things. You can change the power. The power is, as you can see, it creates more collision between the plates of the train. We have more collision, and of course we have more bumpy rock train here. So you can increase or decrease the whole scale. For example, you can right click and increase by 1 or increase by 2 and create such these things, or seed. Change the randomness shape of that. It's gone. And it's heavy, as you can see. Okay, this is an igneous node with simplicity.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.